Monday lunchtime. It's pouring with rain across a good part of the UK. I'm afraid it's, as I say, the same old story. The reason, low pressure. It's been dominating our weather scene for weeks and weeks and weeks. However, there is going to be a shift in the global weather pattern, an important shift, which means that high pressure will be in charge by the end of the week and could well stick around for quite some time. So big change in the weather, things drying up, turning chilly though, with some frost and fog around. Back to reality though this afternoon, and that wet story, some very heavy rain moving west to east across England and Wales. Rather more patchy rain for Northern Ireland, but fairly miserable nonetheless. Quite chilly too at 6s and 7s. Probably the far northwest of Scotland hanging on to some brightness, but most of Scotland a bit drab to be perfectly honest. Cloudy, periods of rain and yeah, a bit of snow up over the Grampians for example. Then that line of quite intense rainfall down through the spine of England at 3 o'clock this afternoon, heading towards the London area just in time for the rush hour, I'm afraid. And some fairly gusty winds, in fact, not far off 50 miles an hour along some exposed coasts of the English Channel. But behind that, things picking up after what's been a very wet morning. A brighter story for southwest England. Still some blustery showers, but some dry, brighter spells in between. And it's a similar story for Wales as well. So some sunshine to end the day here. Now, as we go into the evening time, that rain continues to journey its way eastwards. It should clear the east coast as we go into the night. In actual fact, most of us, by the early hours-ish, should be dry. Just 1 or 2 showers coming through the Irish Sea into parts of northwest England. Turning quite chilly tonight, particularly across the northern half of the UK. Touch of frost, maybe 1 or 2 icy stretches, and the odd patch of fog, particularly across Scotland. So a fresh start tomorrow, a dry one, some sunshine around, but I'm afraid it's the same old story again because rain will turn up across Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, and gradually that will extend its way eastwards across many other parts of the UK. The sunshine probably hanging on across easternmost counties till late on in the day. Feeling quite chilly with the wind and the rain arriving 8-9 degrees typically. Now tomorrow night, that rain duly crosses the rest of the country, and then the first signs of things settling down as we get into Wednesday. Just a few showers left behind, and that's really the story. As we head toward Thursday, most of the showers will have died away. Some sunshine. Temperatures just easing down though, and that trend continuing into the weekend. It will be drier, but there will be some frost and fog around too.